take us away. Embrace this kiss of lips and eyes. Never forget this day, I pray. Our ears know more than we can ever say, to silence our sorrows from wet to dry, before sickness and death take us away. You and I must find joy from grief to stay, and find the rope of tomorrow we must tie. Never forget this day, I pray. Let us hide like two eggs in the hay, and unhatch from our shells so we can fly, before sickness and death take us away. Like the seagull's hungry glance along the bay, every birth from the egg, even it must die. Never forget this day, I pray. Lift my feet and let us not go astray, until we find heaven's door that we must climb, before sickness and death take us away. Never